Ma'am, why are you so upset?
Because this morning my garage door wouldn't work, meaning that I couldn't get my car out of the garage and I'm late for work.
Oh, I'm sorry, but you know what you should do?
What?
You should take yourself to Everett door! What different materials are used in the company's product?
Wood composites, we use several different types of woods. We use track hardware springs, we use a lot of finish.
What is your role in your department?
Cutting all the parts for all the custom doors.
Assembling garage doors.
Powder coating and making sure that everything is powder coated on time.
Just doing everything to specs to make sure that the springs are right and all the track is all to spec.
What is your favorite part about your job?
Just building doors. Love building anything.
What's the important part about your job?
Just building doors, best quality we can.
What advice would you give a new coworker?
Learning skills is important. I enjoy my job. You learn how to do it. It's fun.
What's the What is your favorite part about your job?
Favorite part of my job is seeing the different designs that people give to us and getting to make what they want.
The teamwork that goes on and, ensuring that we put out a quality product.